Children, now I am going to tell you about activity book activities. Children, take out your activity books. Open page number 26. See here, children, fill in the gaps with suitable words. Fill in the gaps with suitable words. Children, observe these pictures. Already you learned about these pictures in explanation of lesson, children. What are these, children? This is a rotation. This is a revolution. The motion of the earth on its own axis is called rotation. The earth is continuously rotating around its own axis. It takes 24 hours or 1 day to complete one rotation. This causes day and night. It causes day and night. Repeat again, children. Rotation. The motion of the earth on its own axis is called rotation. The earth is continuously rotating around its own axis. This takes 24 hours on 1 day. It causes day and night. Next, see here, children, revolution. In addition to rotating on its own axis, the earth travels around the sun in an elliptical path. This motion along an orbit is called revolution. Revolution causes different seasons like spring, summer, autumn and winter seasons. This takes 365.24 days, nearly 365 days or 1 year to complete one revolution. Hence, a normal year has 365 days, whereas a leap year, which comes once in 4 years, has 366 days. February has 29 days in a leap year. See here, children, revolution. Write neatly, children. REVOLUTION. 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 The earth travels around the sun in an elliptical path. This motion along an orbit is called revolution. This motion along an orbit is called revolution. This takes 365 days or 1 year. It causes different seasons. Write here, children, neatly. This takes 365 days or one year. It causes different seasons. DIFFERENT, different. SEASONS, seasons. DIFFERENT, different. SEASONS, seasons. Like summer season, winter season, spring season, autumn season. Okay, children, see in here, in this box, rotation. RO rotation, 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 rotation. The motion of the earth on its own axis is called rotation. The motion of the earth on its own axis is called rotation. This takes 24 hours or ONE, 1 day. 24 hours or 1 day. It causes day and night. DA by day, AND and NAGHT night. DA by day, AND NAGHT night. Day and night. Revolution 365 days, 1 year. It causes different seasons. Rotation, this takes 24 hours 1 day. It causes day and night. A normal year has 365 days or 1 year. Whereas a leap year, which comes once in 4 years, has 366 days. February month has 29 days in a leap year. Okay children, understood? Write neatly spellings. Next activity children. Next page children, see here, note down the places and the imaginary lines of the earth. Note down the places and the imaginary lines of the earth. What is this children? Axis. Axis is an imaginary straight line passing through the center of the earth. The earth rotates around it. Right here, axis. Next children, North Pole, South Pole. Poles are the points of a planet where the axis meets its surface. Our earth has 2 poles, North and South Pole. Next children, Equator. Equator is an imaginary line halfway between North and South poles. It divides the earth into 2 hemispheres. Northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. Next children, latitudes. The horizontal imaginary lines running parallel to the equator are called lines of latitudes. Next children, longitudes. The long vertical imaginary lines running from one pole to another pole are called lines of longitude. Children, write here AXIS, 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 axis. Next, NORTH, north, POLE, pole, north pole. NORTH, north, POLE, pole, north pole. Next, SOUTH, south, POLE, pole, south pole. SOUTH, south, POLE, pole, south pole. Equator, 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 equator. Next, longitudes, 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 longitudes. Latitudes, 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 latitudes. Once again repeat it children. Axis, North Pole, South Pole, equator, longitudes, latitudes. Northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. Okay children, understood? If you have any doubts, check one's course book 31 page. See here children, identify the spheres of the earth. Our earth divided into how many spheres children? 4 spheres. What are they? Lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere. Our earth divided into 2 components, and non-living components and living components. Non-living components divided into 3 types: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and living components biosphere. Okay children, see here, lithosphere. Lithosphere means land. This is the solid rocky surface covering the entire planet from the top of Mountain Everest to the deep ocean floors. Next, hydrosphere. This covers almost 3/4 of the earth. This is composed of all the water in the ocean, seas, rivers, lakes, snows, underground, and even the moisture in the air. Next, atmosphere. This is the body of air that surrounds our planet. Next, biosphere. Life. This consists of all living organisms, plants, birds, animals, including microbes. Okay children, see here children, first one, lithosphere, lithosphere, lithosphere. Next, hydrosphere, 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 atmosphere, atmosphere, biosphere, biosphere. Okay children, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere. The area near the surface of the earth can be divided into 4 main components: land, water, air, and life. These are called spheres of earth. Turn the page children. See here, paste the stickers. Let's do this later children. Go to next activity. You will see here children, match the planets to the numbers based on their position from the sun. Children, already you learned about our solar system, the explanation of lesson. How many planets in our solar system children? 8 planets. What are they? First one, Mercury. Where is Mercury here? Mercury, first one. Second one, Venus. Venus, second one. Third one, Earth. Earth, third one. Fourth one, Mars. Fifth one, Jupiter. Jupiter. Sixth one, Saturn. Saturn. Seventh one, Uranus. Eighth one, Neptune. Okay children, first one, Mercury. Second, Venus. Third, Earth. Fourth, Mars. Fifth, Jupiter. Sixth, Saturn. Seventh, Uranus. Eighth, Neptune. Match the planets to the numbers based on their position from the sun. Number 1 children, first position from the sun. Mercury. Second position, Venus. Third position, Earth. Fourth position, Mars. Fifth position, Jupiter. Sixth position, Saturn. Seventh position, Uranus. Eighth position, Neptune. Okay, children, understood? Okay, children, Mercury, number 1. Number 2, Venus. Number 3, Earth, our home planet. Number 4, Mars. Number 5, Jupiter. Number 6, Saturn. Number 7, Uranus. Number 8, Neptune. Thank you, children. I will meet in the next class.